guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 different wood burning project ideas, and I'm also going to be giving you some tips as I go along. So yeah, I'm also a beginner myself, but I thought this would be like a fun video idea to do. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it. So for the first idea, I thought it would be really cool to do like these bookmarks. So I first just started by tracing out my design. So yeah, I first just want to say that I'm a beginner myself, so like this actually was the second project that I've ever done using the wood burner. Before I filmed this video, I only practiced like on one other thing, so I was still kind of getting the feel for it myself. But it was actually really easy to use once I kind of got the hang of it. So you just like plug it in and turn on the switch and wait for it to heat up. And then it comes with like, I think about 6 different tips that you can change out. But I would recommend, like, if you're gonna change out the tips, you should use pliers because you don't want to burn yourself, obviously. It gets pretty hot. And then I also opened up a window while I was using it just because, yeah, it starts smoking up the whole house, but it smells good at first, like a campfire, but then after a while it gets to be like really strong. So yeah, that would be like the first tip that I would say. So another tip that I have for you is the longer you hold down on the wood, the darker it will be. So like the key trick here is to like move slow and hold it down. I don't know how best to explain it, but if you just press light and go really fast, your strokes will be really faint and light, and you won't, like, it just won't burn the wood. So that is what I found. It's not like using like a typical marker or pencil. So yeah, I actually just sped up this whole process for you. Otherwise, this took me like a couple hours to do, just because I was trying to get the feel for it myself, and I probably wasn't using the best tip for this specific design. But yeah, I kind of was playing around with the tips as I went. Actually, for the second bookmark that I made, the cone shape tips are really good for like doing dots, like using it as like a dotting tool. So yeah, that's what I found, and I really liked the stencil tool. I'll talk more about that in like some of the other ideas. But yeah, I thought this turned out really cute, and I just added some leather to that little hole, and it kind of turned out like antennas for like the butterfly. So that ended up working out good, and then I just made like another bookmark to go with it. So for this next idea, I thought this would be like so cute, like as a keychain, but I ended up finding like these little wooden stumps from Hobby Lobby, and it already came with like some twine attached to the stump, so like it could be used as ornaments or anything, but you could always replace it and make it into a keychain. But yeah, as you could see, I started out using one of the tips and it started making like little dots, so I had to switch it out for a different tip. I wish I knew the names of them, but I don't. You kind of just have to like test it out for yourself. But yeah, this one worked really good for just like tracing out the outline. And then I switched out the tip to like more of like this shading tool. It worked really good for like filling in things and shading. And it's kind of shaped as like a teardrop in a way. So that went pretty fast. And then I used one of the smaller tips. It's more of like a stencil, and that's probably my favorite one, just because it's really good for like really precise small details. But I ended up dragging, like as you see, I kind of messed up in one area. It's really hard to like film and do it at the same time because I wasn't paying attention and it just dragged through the center of one of the petals. But anyways, we can just go with it because it made it look more rustic and stuff. So yeah, I ended up making another one, a little bumblebee that says be kind, and yeah, I really love how that one turned out. So for this next idea, I thought it would be really cool to put some designs on like wooden spoons. I also thought it would be cool to like make a set with like a cutting board and a wooden spoon. So I'll probably do that for this one because it's like a sunflower theme, and I also plan on doing like a coastal theme. Like I like a lot of beach things, so I kind of want to do like a turtle one or something. But yeah, these would make like really cool Christmas presents or gifts for people. So yeah, that's like another thing to keep in mind. But yeah, I also plan on making some more wood burning things because I plan on doing some craft fairs this summer and selling things. So yeah, that's another reason why I kind of got into this. And it's just really fun and relaxing. But yeah, I really love this design, and I made two other spoons, like a sun and a moon. I just always love drawing like flowers, suns, moons, like celestial things or like beach things. That's like definitely my style. But yeah, they turned out really cute, and like even if you mess up, like as you've seen, I kind of messed up on the side of the flower. I just made do with it, and I just added like another vine going down. But yeah, I thought they turned out really cute, so I hope you enjoyed this video and this gave you some more like fun ideas to do. Anyways, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you like these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!